you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in Apex Legends, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back into the game quickly. Step 1. Restart the game. Close Apex Legends completely and restart it. This simple action can often resolve temporary glitches that cause loading issues. Step 2. Check server status. Visit the official Apex Legends Twitter account or website to check if there are any server outages or maintenance. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 3. Update the game. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Check for updates on your gaming platform and install any available patches, as these can fix bugs that may cause loading problems. Step 4. Clear cache. For console players, power cycle your console by turning it off, unplugging it for a minute, and then restarting it. For PC players, clearing the cache of the game can help. Navigate to the game files and delete any temporary files. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If none of the previous steps work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Apex Legends. This can resolve deeper issues with the game files that may be causing the loading screen problem. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the stuck loading screen issue in Apex Legends. If problems persist, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.